shoot it, edit, and
hello guys, today I'm going to show you how I was able to achieve this, and you can see if I change this, it's going to be on the screen. You can see that. Yeah, so we have kind of setup here. We have the Bible study, we have everything. I've already done everything on the phone, you can see. So if I click on the praises, if I click on Thanksgiving offering and everything, so and on the screen I have video here. So if I click on video and to play a video on that, you can see that there. So that's it. Now let me know a kind of question that you want to ask about this kind of setup. And I think this app, you want to ask about this app, I don't want to tell you. I want you to comment on the comment section, then you tell me that, oh, I want to know about this setup. Okay, so this is Stream Deck. Now I'm just saying it's a Stream Deck, and we have connected to same internet through the PC, and you also download the client for the Stream Deck on the PC. Okay, so you can arrange any kind of setup from OBS to Stream Deck. Now your scene and your sources, and control it over the internet. Okay, now that's it. You have cameras, you have video, you have everything, speed, you have you can do a bunch of things here. You have next Sunday, you have Lion Live, you have everything here. So these are kind of scenes that I've connected through my Stream Deck setup from my PC. Okay, so this is my Stream Deck, and I have everything here. You can see you have Lion here on the screen. You have everything. Lion have opened the mouth. You have Lion picture, so I can control all the scenes and sources from OBS. You can also connect your apps. So now if I'm working with 3 apps right now, or if I'm working with Easy Worship, OBS, and also, so if I'm doing something on OBS like this, and I want to go to if I want to go to Audacity and check my recording, I can also click on Audacity, and it will come to the screen like this. You can see. So I've done every setup to the Stream Deck. So now if I click on the OBS will show up on the screen. So I don't need to go ahead to the taskbar and click on something like this and open it like this. I think that's not better. So I have this Audacity here on the screen connected to Stream Deck. Then you click on the OBS, and it will show up on the screen for you to work on it. Now if I want to go to Easy Worship, now the Easy Worship is closed right now, so I want to click on it. If I click on Easy Worship like this, you can see it will just open on the screen. Okay, so you can see. So if I'm done with Easy Worship, I can also go back to OBS by clicking on the OBS. You can see I click on the Audacity, you can see that's it. So you can also do a kind of folder that you want to open with the Stream Deck. You can also do a kind of setup from here. Okay, so you can also go back and do a kind of settings. So let me know a kind of question that you want to know about this Stream Deck. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can do this setup and download and install it on your PC and also on your phone. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for subscribing.